Assalamu alaikum, guys. So, as per my promise, I'm back and I welcome you all in today's video. So, yes, I was a little bit confused like where to start from because there are three major subjects, and so between them, I thought that physics is the most toughest one, and physics of grade 11 is like, oh my god, that is the most toughest one because it has the material of both the 11th and 12th class. So I thought that it is the most difficult one, so let's start from this one. So I hope you all will be damn excited for this. And so there are total 14 chapters in physics. So after seeing this, your reaction will be like this, I guess so. But don't worry, I'm here. I will help you all. So let me first start naming the chapters and start giving you a short introduction of them. The first one is like physical quantities and measurements. In this specific chapter, we are going to study about dimensions, different cases, and about different units, base, and derived quantities, and dimensions, its representations, etc. The next one is vectors. Vector is the most important chapter because it's a very shorter one. It has only two cases, but those two cases are the most important one, and it has the maximum chances of appearing in the exams. The next one is the translatory motion. In translatory motion, we are just going to study about projectile motion. That is the most important one. It has some derivations. Along with it, we are going to study three equations of motions that you have already studied in your ninth grade, but we it has a modified version of that one. Fourth chapter is rotational and circular motion. According to me, that is the most difficult one. It has a lot of derivations, a lot of practical examples, and all, and you need to understand it very keenly because it's really important and really difficult for me. But I hope it will become easier to you when I'll explain that. Number fifth one is the work and kinetic energy. In work, this is also a very short topic that will just explain the relationship between work and kinetic energy. So yeah, here we will also study some different cases, and we will see when the work is maximum and when the work is minimum and its relation to kinetic energy. Yeah. Number six one, that is the most favorite chapter of mine, that is the fluid mechanics. It has a lot of derivations in it, actually. That is why it is really easier for me. Here you will study the Bernoulli's equation and its applications. That includes the dorsal eye theorem and the superfluidity case. It is a very interesting chapter, and I really wanted to start from that one because it's the really simplest one. So if you'll start from the easiest one, you will find the rest chapters also very easy. Number seventh one is deformation of solids. In this chapter, you will study different types of solids. That is basically the crystalline, polycrystalline, anamorphous solids, and along with this, you will study, the deformations in it, and stress, strain, and Hooke's law, and it has all this sort of things. And number ninth one is waves. Waves of this chapter is not easy, as by just reading the word waves you thought that no, it will be very easy, but it's not actually. ये कहीं से भी आसान चैप्टर नहीं है. इसके अंदर जितनी ट्रिकी चीज़ें हैं, जितनी ट्रिकी इक्वेशंस हैं ना, ऑनेस्टली चैप्टर 4 से ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट ये चैप्टर है. 10th one is electrostatics. This is also very interesting chapter actually. शॉर्ट भी है. इसमें हम कूलम्स लॉ पढ़ेंगे. एक्चुअली कूलम्स लॉ आप लोगों को पता ही होगा ना. अगर नाइन्थ के बच्चे फर्स्ट ईयर में यहाँ पे तो उनको पता होगा, कूलम्स लॉ के बारे में पता होगा. और ये चैप्टर बड़ा सिंपल है. इसकी बहुत नहीं, इतने कोई डिफ़िकल्ट कॉन्सेप्ट्स नहीं है, इतना कुछ डिफ़िकल्ट नहीं है इस चैप्टर के अंदर. ऐसी चीज़ें कि अगर आप लोगों को ओवरव्यू मिल जाएगा, यू विल बी एबल टू अटेम्प्ट the whole chapter even without reading it. You will know that whatever is in this chapter. 11th हमारा है electricity. Actually 11th 12th, so yeah, I was saying that these two chapters, electricity and magnetism, according to me, these two chapters are also very difficult. Like in total in our whole book, there are only four chapters that seems damn difficult to me. That is chapter 4th, chapter waves, the ninth one, and 11th and 12th one. These four chapters are the most important, the most difficult chapters. Like when you will study it, you will find it a little trickier. But don't worry, I will explain. I will try my best to explain this to all of you in very detail. So yeah, this is what it is. It in electricity you will study about Kirchhoff's law. That is basically the modified form of Ohm's law. It's simple cases and it's mathematical. It's really annoying sometimes actually. The next one is electromagnetism. Electromagnetism is fine, like as compared to electricity, it's not that difficult. इतना मुश्किल नहीं है ये, क्योंकि इसमें भी mathematical है, बस थोड़ी चीज़ें याद रखनी है, थोड़ी सी concepts है याद करने वाला. So yes, guys, after 12, chapter number 13 is relativity. Relativity is also very simple. Like it's just two pages chapter and it's really simple. I'll just explain it theoretically and I hope you all will understand it very easily. And the next is particle physics. Particle physics is also not a piece of cake. Actually, you have to memorize all the values and it's like all about electron, proton, neutron, masses and different laws and different sort of theories in it. So it's also not a piece of cake actually, it's a little bit trickier. So yeah, that is what it is actually. So yeah, but इसको पता करने के बाद आपकी हालत कुछ यही हो रही होगी, but it's okay, मैं हूँ ना. I will try my best to explain. All what you need to do is कि guys, punctuality is the major thing. हर रोज़ पढ़ोगे तो आखिर में चीज़ें बहुत आसान हो जाएंगी. बट यू विल से कि अगर यार नहीं आखिर में देखा जाएगा जब बोर्ड्स नज़दीक आएंगे तब पढ़ूंगा, तब नहीं होता. मैं एक स्टूडेंट रह चुकी हूँ, बोल रही हूँ, मेरे बहुत सारे ऐसे दोस्त थे जो ये कहते थे मैं आखिर में पढ़ूंगी, मैं आखिर में पढ़ूंगी. आखिर में नहीं होता. आखिर में जितना आपके ऊपर प्रेशर होता है, जितना आपके पास मटेरियल होता है, हो ही नहीं सकता. आखिर में अगर आप 2 महीने पहले भी बैठोगे ना पढ़ने के लिए, तो भी आपको इतना प्रेशर होगा क्योंकि आपके पास एक सब्जेक्ट नहीं है. मैं आपको बार बार बोल रही हूँ, आपके पास एक सब्जेक्ट नहीं है, आपके पास 3 सब्जेक्ट साइंसेस के हैं, उसके अलावा आपके पास 8 सब्जेक्ट्स भी हैं. लोग 8 सब्जेक्ट्स को बहुत, जो लोग ये कहते हैं कि हम आखिर में करेंगे, भी आखिर में नहीं होता है. मैं आपको बार बार बता रही हूँ, 8 सब्जेक्ट्स में लोग बहुत वो ले लेते हैं. 8 सब्जेक्ट्स को लोग बहुत ही समझ लेते हैं, भाई ये तो हो ही जाएंगे, इसके अंदर कोई ऐसी चीज़ मुश्किल है, कुछ ये है वो है. भाई असल जो मार्क्स उठाने वाले होते हैं ना, वो 8 सब्जेक्ट्स के अंदर होते हैं. अगर लोग उनके अंदर थोड़े ढीले पड़ जाएंगे, उनको नहीं लेंगे ना सीरियसली, तो सच बता रही हूँ आखिर में उनमें भी बहुत मुश्किल होगी. 8 सब्जेक्ट्स इतने मुश्किल होते हैं क्योंकि उनमें तशरीह भी है, ग्रामर भी है, एवरीथिंग भी ट्रिकी पार्ट. तो प्लीज़ उनको भी साथ साथ लेकर चलें, अलॉन्ग विद आर्ट्स. साइंसेस और आर्ट्स को साइड बाय साइड लेकर चलें.